In this time, I am on the gate of the entrance of the great statue of Buddha, which is located in Bodh Gaya city, 1 kilometer away from the Mahabodhi. So let's support great. Thank you. So even the great Buddha statue, which is also called a Dai Butso, is one of the Buddhist pilgrimage in Bodh Gaya, which nicknamed the 80-foot 25 meters Buddha statue under the slogan Sanskrit Buddha's race to the whole world. So it is one of the beautiful temple which is located only 1 kilometer from the Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya, where the Lord Buddha got enlightenment under the Bodhi tree. That is called as a people tree also. So I am going to see and explain something about this temple. So even the statue is representing the Buddha seated in a meditation pose or dhyan mudra on a lotus in the open air. So the statue was designed by the V. Ganpati Setpati, who was a temple designer and architecture from Madras, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, founded the Vastu Vedic Trust and Vastu Vedic Research Foundation for the development of and globalization of Vastu Shastra. So he also designed the Tiruvala statue in Kanyakumari and Raja Gopuram of Sri Ram and Sri Ganesh Shiv Durga temple in Greater Chicago in USA, Sri Murugan temple in Nadi, Fiji Island, and the Saint Sun Marga Evayan temple in Hawaii, Sri Shiva Vishnu temple in Maryland, USA, and various temples across the world, and received the Padma Vibhushan award in 2009. So even this temple, the statue was designed by V. Ganpati Setpati and took 7 years to complete using the labor of 12,000 stone sons. So it is constructed from a combination of the sandstone and red granite blocks. So the great Buddha statue was surrounded by a smaller sculptures of Buddhist 10 disciples, 5 on each side, like Anand Rahula, who was a son of disciple, Anand, who was a most beloved, and Sariputra, who was also one of the prime disciple of Gautam Buddha, who were birthplace located in Nalanda. That is, there is also Sariputra stupa in Nalanda University. So even the great Buddha statue was possibly the largest Buddhist statue in India at the time. Was consecrated on 18 November 1989 by the 14th Dalai Lama, who is staying in Dharamsala, Kangra in Dalai Lama temple, who was a refugee who were struggling for the freedom of Tibet from China. So the foundation stone for that statue was laid in 1982. So the first 5 disciples of Buddha were Kaundinya, Asaji, Bhadia, Bappa, and Mahanama, called as together as Panchvargika, which means group of 5. So Anand is considered the Buddha's most beloved disciple and closest companion. Sariputra was the prime disciple's chief along with the Maud